Here is an interesting toy that's really designed for toddlers, been massively copied by all different companies across the, call it the world at this point. I've seen them advertised on Facebook for like $50 and up. There are a million different prices on Amazon. I grabbed this one on Amazon for $21.99, and it was the cheapest one I could find, but they're all basically the same. They might change a little bit in the colors, the cars might be different, different vehicles provided. There are some different ones that they've changed the actual pieces, themed by gender, I think, for like boys and girls. It might be like more construction or like prehistoric times, something like that with dinosaurs. But this is the original one I saw, the basic one I wanted to get my hands on for my kids, but I also thought it was pretty cool. So the way it works is you can see I have all the cars lined up here. It's kind of the starting point. And you have to really have this on level ground. If you don't have it on level ground or a softer surface like a rug, it's gonna have all kinds of issues. So to get just like that, right? So you have to kind of pick very soft. We'll bring this car through slowly to show. And you bring the helicopter over. There's a magnet on it. You kind of have to hit it right. And then it hits into that. Drops it. Pull the lever for the bridge. Pull the lever to bring up. And then it resets. Pretty cool. So you have to be gentle on this first button. These turn. Let's see if you see if a kid was doing this. There's no it's gonna be all over the place. You have to really be like patient and slow. So I don't really think it's great for kids in that respect. I mean, I gave it to my kids and they kind of just throw everything all over the place, bang on everything, which is fun. And then you move that. Helicopter drops it. Pretty cool. Like, I haven't really seen a lot of things like this. I thought it was neat. It's small enough, as you can see, it's on my desk right now. I guess comparison wise, here's like a mug, coffee mug. So it's really not that big. Doesn't take up that large of a footprint. It's kind of like a fidgety thing, even for an adult, really. Just bringing the different cars through. It comes mostly assembled. You have to put like this tree in, this little, click this into place. There's like a traffic light over here that you put in. The helicopter just kind of goes in. Everything just snaps in 2 seconds. So it's like a 30-second install. See, sometimes the cars don't roll that great. But they'll kind of fall into place as long as, again, you're on that level ground. It does take a little bit. Yeah, there it is. It's just sitting there, right? So you kind of shake it. They don't always roll the best. It depends on the vehicle you're using. This one really isn't doing that great at all. Yeah, so that's not the best one. Let's try, this is the van. It's an ambulance, actually. You got to do everything in sync here. But I do think like a kid would enjoy this thing, and I dropped it like not in the best way, so again you have to like shake it. This one seems to roll pretty good. The way they roll too is it's just like a little, have you ever played that game with the penguins that go up the ladder and drop down? It's like just little metal rollers here that fit into the grooves. So some of them are better than others. And that's really all there is to this thing. It's cheap enough where I think it's definitely worth it. It's got like some cool things, different things going on here that you could show your kids. Get them used to like working switches, and they get wild. Like, that's pretty much what my kids do. Like, the car lines up, they slam the button. Sometimes it lands there. They don't really do these quick enough, so it shoots the cars off. But so if you're looking for this, check the link out. In the bottom, I'll have a link to the Amazon. Always helps out. And that's kind of the cheapest price that I found. And give it a shot. Thanks.